Welcome back, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change the alarm sound on your Android Google Pixel phone. Now you can use these instructions for other Android phones as well, but for this tutorial I'll be using a Pixel 8 Pro. So I'll show you two ways of doing it on this phone. The first method is in the settings. So if you go into settings on your Android Pixel and then go to sound and vibration, if you scroll, you'll get to default alarm sound. You can tap on that, and then you can change the alarm sound from this collection of sounds. So you have these pixel sounds, you have natural elements group, and you can choose any of these sounds. And tap on save, and that's going to be a default alarm sound. Default alarm sound basically means that anytime you set up an alarm, if you don't choose a specific sound for a specific alarm, it's going to default to that sound that you chose as your default alarm sound. Now let me show you how to set a custom sound for a specific alarm on your Android phone. So go to the clock app, just go to the app screen and find the clock app, and then go to the alarm section. Just make sure alarm is tapped, and then here you can see I have one alarm. I could have more, but here's one alarm. Now if I tap on this alarm, it brings down a menu, and here I can choose the alarm sound. Okay, you'll see this bell icon here, so tap on it, and then you have sounds. Okay, so as long as sounds is selected in the top menu, you can choose from the different sounds available on your phone by default, and whatever you choose is going to be the sound for this specific alarm. Now at the top here, there are also extra options. You can record a new sound right now and use it as your alarm sound, or you can add a new sound from an MP3 file saved on your phone. All right, now you also have the option to choose a song from either YouTube Music or Spotify as your alarm sound. So if I go to YouTube Music, for instance, I can choose a song like that, and that's going to be my alarm sound. Okay, I can also choose from Spotify. If I have my Spotify account set up with the Spotify app, I can choose a song from Spotify and use it as my alarm. And that is basically how to change the alarm sound on your Google Pixel Android phone. Now that's whatever I've changed is for this specific alarm. I can close this, and if I have another alarm, I can choose the sound for that other specific alarm and have different alarms have different sounds. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.